Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna really kick your butt, Michelle. This is getting.
Alright.
Let me stretch. Okay, Heather just had a weak moment. Speaking of Heather, forgot who she was.
Reflex and whoop,
Oh
whoop
my
butt.
god.
We're gonna kill your life out. Boom! I said boom, baby.
This is hilarious. I don't even know what's going on. Oh my god. Can't let a band geek beat you.
God.
Do this, Heather. This is what my mom did. Do that.
Just
Oh, are
do
we
not
playing?
get any better than this.
Do this, Heather. Go that way and then do that. Heather.
Oh, damn.
Yay, Heather!
You go sit your butt down.
You should start learning to make more jewelry, Michelle.
Apparently.
Gosh. Get up! Heather, get up. Get up.
Who gave the kid red ball?
The more she cheers me, the worse I do. Why won't I get up? I
Was
feel
that your plan,
okay.
Mel?
Man, you got knocked out.
Okay, one of you guys box Michelle,
Oh,
okay?
I'm so done.
See what happens.
I'll box my mom.
Yeah, you box.